Have a fantastic and an amazing day. I presume that all of you are safe and sound. Friends, we all know that September 8 is observed as International Literacy Day. So, we the students of St. Francis School are here to speak on the need and importance of literacy in our life. Literacy is a bridge from misery to hope. Yes, St. Francis School is a school with a difference which aims to the children to think, to be creative, to be beautiful, and to be aware of the rich heritage of our land. A song can change a memory, one idea can change a world, one step can start a journey, but one song can change the impossible. With this beautiful thought in mind, let us start our day with a prayer.
मन की शक्ति देना मन विजय करे दूसरों की जैसे पहले कूट को जय करे हमको मन की शक्ति देना मन विजय करे दूसरों की जैसे पहले कूट को जय करे हमको मन की शक्ति देना भेदभाव अपने दिल से साफ कर सके दोस्तों से भूल हो तो माफ कर सके झूठ से बचे रहे सच कदम बढ़े झूठ से बचे रहे सच कदम बढ़े दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे हमको मन की शक्ति देना मन विजय करे दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे हमको मन की शक्ति देना
Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. The great Aristotle's words. Literacy is an essential need of development. The personality of an individual is polished if he or she is educated. But an illiterate person can be disrespected in the society. Parents have an important role in the development of children. But if the parents are illiterate, they will not be able to cope with the needs. On this occasion, we also remember Malala Yousafzai's thought. One book, one pen, one teacher can change the world.
The fire of literacy is created by the sparks between a child, a book, and a person reading. Literacy is a very important tool someone should have when walking through life. It makes people's life more simple. Being able to read and write can open a world of stories, conversations, and opportunities. Literacy allows us to make sense of a range of written, visual, and spoken text, including books, magazines, newspapers, DVDs, and television.
UNESCO states the importance of literacy as literacy is a human right, a tool for personal empowerment and a means for social and human development. Educational opportunities depend on literacy. Literacy is at the heart of basic education for all. It is essential for eradicating poverty, reducing child mortality, curbing population growth, and achieving gender equality.
Literacy is the path from slavery to freedom. There are many kinds of slavery and many kinds of freedom, but reading is still the path. Literacy is fundamental human right and the basis for an individual's ability to learn. It is essential for social and human development and provides individuals the skills and empowers them to transform their lives in turn and improve standard of health and ability to earn a higher income.
Literacy is not the end of education or even the beginning. In order to succeed in modern life, your career, and improve your quality of life, it is vital to have good literacy skills. It is more than just being able to read, but rather how you use written information to function in modern society. We can all agree that being able to read and write affect our daily life in so many ways. It has an impact on the way we think and career progress and earning potential and helps us to fit into our environment and social circles. Literacy or ability to read and write is not only very important, but it is necessity in dealing the everyday life. It is like breathing. You need it so you don't even think about what it's like not being able to read and write. It is very important and useful tool when someone should have been walking through life. It can be hard to learn, but it is worth it in the end. There is more treasure in the books than in all the pirates' loot on the treasure island. It is one of the greatest gifts a person could receive.
Education is not the filling of a pig, but the lighting of a fire. International Literacy Day, celebrated annually on 8 September, is an opportunity for governments, civil societies, and stakeholders to highlight improvements on per literacy rates and reflect the remaining literacy challenges.
Literacy is a fundamental human right and the basis for any individual's ability to learn. It is essential for social and human development and provides individuals the skills and empowers them to transform their lives, in turn, and improve standard of health and ability to earn a higher income. The proportion of literate person in a population is called literacy level. If a person possesses the dual skill of reading and writing, then he is called literate. Being able to read and write means being able to keep up with the current affairs, communicate effectively, and understand the issues that are shaping our world.
Literacy is not a luxury, it is a right and responsibility. Literacy is so fundamental to learning that its importance cannot be overstated. It is essential foundation of education. Literacy is the first step towards freedom, towards liberation from social and economic constraints. It is the prerequisite for development, both individual and collective.
Literacy is a fertilizer needed for development and democracy to take root and grow. 6 early literacy skills. Young children need a variety of skills to become successful readers. Vocabulary, print motivation, print awareness, narrative skills, letter knowledge, phonological awareness.
Literacy is the most basic currency of the knowledge economy. Whether or not a person is literate and can comprehend what is going around them. If a person doesn't have the basic ability to read, they will feel the stress and dependency on others because of their illiteracy. Illiteracy is a big problem because without the knowledge of reading, illiterate people can't perform daily tasks and responsibilities in daily life. The problem is not only that illiterate people are dependent on others. It's also the literate, well-functioning people of societies aren't always willing to put the forth help.
Literacy changes the world through words. Literacy and education has the power to change our own inner world ourselves. It can transform our lives for the better. On this occasion, I would like to thank Father Sibi and Father Redden for giving us the warmth, support and cooperation on all our endeavors. A special thanks to Ma'am Girja for giving us great support. We also promise ourselves on this day, World Literacy Day, that we will be a part of the literacy campaign. I conclude my words with a great thought by the Father of the nation. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Together we aspire. Together we act. Together we achieve. Together we can and together we will.